Today I would like to show to you how to install the Tor service and how to browse on the internet while hidden. So we are starting at Kali Linux. It is installed in the VirtualBox environment, and we are logged in as Mr. T at Kali right here in our home folder, or in the home directory, better to say. And we need privileged rights, so we type in sudo nano etc proxychains.for config, enter, and then you get to this configuration file. Really cool thing. And you can at first choose the way that it works, like here is dynamic chain, street chain, and round robin chain and random chain. And what it does is Tor is connecting this client with other clients on the Tor systems. So your requests to a web page, for example, wouldn't be executed by this interface or by this client, but will be directly transmitted to another client on the Tor interface or the Tor network. And how it does that is defined by this mode. So dynamic chain would mean that there is a differentiation between the established connections. And street chain, for example, is the direct opposite to that, because right now you have the next client on the network on your route, and it won't change ever this next hop. So you will always transmit your data to the same next hop or client, so to speak. So I would just let it be here for this example, but you can change it. How to do that? It's relatively easy. You can use your cursor and go here and just comment it with this one, and then you can uncomment dynamic chain, for example, right, like this. But I don't want to do that. I just want to let it be here. What do we have right next? Proxy DNS, pretty important thing to notice. This shouldn't be commented, because otherwise it won't work as you wish to. And the most important part is at the end of this configuration file at the proxy lists. And normally here is just one entry, like this one, SOX4. And you have to add the second entry, SOX5. Why is that? Maybe in another video, but for right now, just copy this thing, this line, and hit Ctrl S for saving, and then just go on Ctrl X to exit. No, I don't want to modify. Let's clear the screen with Ctrl L, and then we can look it up if it can be run right now. So we can type in service Tor status, and as you can see under active it says inactive dead. So right now there isn't any service running. Ctrl C to clear my lines, and can bring it up again with the cursor upwards and type in service Tor start, and then it should be start running. Yes, privilege rights. Now it should be running. So again, I type in service Tor status to confirm it, and yes, right now it is active. And what you want to do right now, you can, for example, type in proxy chains Firefox. So you will use this proxy system, this Tor system, to browse on the web using this browser called Firefox. It takes some time because it needs to transmit the data to another client. But right now you can simply browse two different sites like Google. But what I want to show you right now is DNSLeaktest.com. And if it shows your address, like your region, there's something missing, you did something wrong by editing the configuration file, for example. But this isn't my location, I'm just in another location in Germany. And yes, this is the proof that it works right now. Thank you for watching.